This video will show you how to connect any phone number to the OpenAI Realtime API to make agent phone calls with GPT Realtime 1.5.
Thank you for calling La Maison Stream. How can I help you with your reservation today? If you'd like, I can also share a bit about today's specials.
Hi, I want to cancel my reservation.
I'm happy to help with that. May I have the name the reservation is under and the date and time of your booking? This will let me locate it and confirm the cancellation.
Today is 23rd February 2026. OpenAI has just released an update to its speech-to-speech model and API. So we now have the GPT 1.5 model. The model now has more reliable instruction following, tool calling, and multilingual accuracy. To create the AI phone call agent, we need the following tech stacks. We will use Vision Agents for voice agent orchestration and workflow. It is free and open source platform for building voice, video, and Vision AI applications in Python. You can contribute to the open source Vision Agents framework on GitHub. To support phone calls, we need a telephony service. So we are going to use Twilio for SIP trunking. The agent will be served locally, so we need NGROK to publish your localhost on a public URL. So using GPT-Realtime 1.5 and the OpenAI Realtime API, you can build low-latency multimodal AI apps that support speech-to-speech interactions. So here is how it works. The Realtime API supports 3 different inputs. When we build an agentic workflow, you can pass text, image, and audio as input. The Realtime API will take your input and convert it to an output in the form of text or audio. To get started with the demo, you should have Python 3.12 or a later version installed on your machine. Then in your .m file, you should have the following API credentials. You need Stream API key and secret. You can obtain these credentials from getstream.io. To access GPT Realtime 1.5, you need an OpenAI API key. So you visit platform.openai.com to obtain an API key. For the telephony service, we are going to use Twilio. So you need a Twilio account set and also Twilio auth token. You can obtain all those credentials from your dashboard. So you should visit your Twilio dashboard and buy a new phone number. Next, you visit NGROK.com and sign up for a free account. We are going to use the NGROK URL to save the application later in this video. The next thing to do is to create a new Python project. I recommend using UV. Then you install Vision Agents and all the required dependencies. Once you set your credentials and also install Vision Agents, you can now go ahead and configure the AI phone call agent in Python. And finally, run it with NGROK using a URL similar to this one. You should specify the NGROK URL and run the Python script using UV. So you add the name of the Python script, the phone number you want to call from, and the phone number you want to call to. So launch your favorite IDE and let's get started. I will use Cursor for this project. So over here, we are going to initialize a new Python project. I'll bring the terminal. So let's run uv init in order to create a new Python project. So we have the following files added to the root directory. Next, I will add this command to create a new Python virtual environment and also activate it. With the virtual environment ready, we can now go ahead and install Vision Agents with this command, uv add Vision Agents. That installs the latest version of Vision Agents. So over here, we have the version 0.3.8. When we run the command uv add Vision Agents, it installs only the core Vision Agents SDK without any plugin. In the context of this demo, we need OpenAI and Twilio as plugins for Vision Agents. So let's add this command, uv add Vision Agents, getstream, OpenAI, and Twilio. Getstream provides low latency transport for audio and video communication. Then we access the GPT Realtime 1.5 model from OpenAI and use Twilio to enable AI phone calling. So let's press the return key to install them all. So you have noticed here, we have Getstream, OpenAI, and Twilio with the same version 0.3.8. In the project's root, I will add a new file that will be a .m file. Add the following API credentials. So I'll go behind the scenes to add my API key for Stream, OpenAI, and the credentials for Twilio. Once you add the credentials, you can go ahead and modify your main.py to configure the phone call agent. In our main.py, we should add the following imports and configuration. We load all dependencies for concurrency, login, and environment handling. We also need to add the NGROK URL. Next, we should create a fast API app and call registry. So we create a fast API application and a Twilio call registry. That is a custom helper that tracks active calls, their preparation state, validation tokens, and cleanup. Next, we should create a new agent using the Vision Agents agent class. That is an async factory that builds the voice agent. So in this example, we have a restaurant assistant. We use GetStream as a network for real-time streaming infrastructure. Then we equip the phone call agent with instructions. The last thing to do in the agent's definition is to connect to OpenAI's real-time model. So we have GPT-Realtime 1.5 for low latency speech-to-speech interactions. What we need to do next is to create an outbound phone call. For this section, you should generate a unique call ID and register a callback function that creates the agent and the phone user. In the outbound phone call initiation, we also create a secure WebSocket media URL using NGROK plus the token. The outbound call configuration helps to place a call via the Twilio REST API. So to create a new phone call, we should specify the phone number we want to call to and also the phone number we want to call from. Next, we should implement a WebSocket media stream handler that validates all calls via the registry token. Over here, we also send an initial prompt to the agent and run the media stream loop to handle audio input and output, transcription, and responses. Next, we add a configuration that runs the first API server in the background. So we start the server in background task, wait for the server to be ready, initiate the outbound call, and keep it running until the server shuts down. Finally, we add the Twilio's command line entry point. This requires the two numbers, the inbound number and the outbound number. That is the phone number you want to call from and the one you want to call to. So after these configurations, you can go ahead and run the Python script, and you should be able to interact with the phone call agent in real time.
Thank you for calling La Maison Stream. How can I help you with your reservation today? If you'd like, I can also share a bit about today's specials.
Hi, I want to cancel my reservation.
I'm happy to help with that. May I have the name the reservation is under and the date and time of your booking? This will let me locate it and confirm the cancellation.
My name is Amos. I booked it for Sunday at 5 p.m.
Thank you, Amos. I'll go ahead and cancel your reservation for Sunday at 5 p.m. Just so you know, cancellations are free with at least 24 hours notice. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
I encourage you to check all the links in the description of the video to learn more about Vision Agents and using the real-time API from OpenAI to build voice applications.